Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kinong yalam jong ka Federation of Khasi Jantia and Garu People haringkat ki officer na Shillong Municipal Board henne kasngi ki lahir ban Khynra ki license khayi na Dukan jo ki bar Jylla ki badan na than Keating road. Ke Fkjgp hakani ke jing Khynra kala lap shibon ki Dukan ki bamdan ki kwat kisla ki Biang. Kila lap ru ke jing shem kabu jong kini ki bre ki dia jing de khlam ki kwat kisla. Badru ki license khayi ki Biang, don ru ki penrung kerteng panadu usnam arajar shipau. Khlam dapen thamai shu hadu kini kisngi. Syuk kaseng kala lap ru ya ka jing kentur put jong kini ki Dukan. Kaseng ka kentui ki bor bade khmi baken shim khia bantek la kami ka jing kentur put ki Dukan bar Jylla ha ka te ka than. Kaseng ka kenturu ya baro ki bar Jylla ki baseng kam seng jam ha ka Jylla ba ki de ban thong kam de ki bri ki bana ka Jylla am da ki wei ki jat ben rio.
Tadi siang poin yang saya kedalam information kita yuk mengelah wan kuda wan hik belakang nak kata kedai tenang ni semua yang nak sembek yang sekawai bukan sampai susut.
Lian boh, kau itu orang ba kejengkang juga ibu wan keram ni orang ba kalian di depan kita kat sah biak orang kangki. Tengok kalian jumi di kepat municipal tadi bersimkia lo tadi kini license semua kita business license di ba municipal ka issue ni kita bon ni bon ki level license ki dan level license dan ki business license so ki Biang temu nang ni spot mun kepat ada department municipal dari bersimkia tadi kita.
We came here from the Fkjgp central body as well from the Fkjgp multi circle to check the business license run by the different establishment. Yeah, so on this checking we have found out that so many shops are running illegally without taking a license from the Shillong Municipal Board, and as well to those shops who have registered who got the license from the Shillong Municipal Board, but they didn't renew the license. One shop or two shop are there that they have taken the license in the year 2010, but they haven't registered the license since 2010 till this year. So according to the terms and conditions of the Shillong Municipal Board, the shops who are running illegally, they'll have to pay 50 rupees per day. And those shops who didn't renew till this year from that particular year, they'll have to pay a fine of rupees 500 per year. I think this is a very less price that the department put to the establishment that run illegally or to the establishment who didn't renew the license. That we from the Fkjgp we request will on this day or day after tomorrow will go and meet the CEO of the Shillong Municipal Board to discuss this issue. According to us, because the officials from the Shillong Municipal Board also are with us today, and they have taken the numbers and all, and I think they'll submit to us how many numbers are there, because till now they left from this place. Yeah, obviously we as the organization who look after the welfare, good and welfare of the society, I think we have to give a strict warning to the CEO that from their side also they should, like, the license have to renew every year. So from the department, at least once a year they have to come and check the license. I think from the CEO side also will have to have to look after this, and I think there's so many the encroachment we have. I think you also from the press side you have took the video and all. So from our side, we'll pressure the CEO that he must take strict action against them.
Next ni kalau ba abang iwan ngilap ngisem ba ken punishment kabun ba pi ka municipal ka jiong bai kat bai sno khasi jingi kistonat ban check ban ayu kat ba ni pat punishment kabun ba pi ka dik wi ken ka lada pi check solansar ken wat check ni khasi wat check la sno taw jingi ha pi check kin kini jaka bali pi tiap si kini jaka pinwan lada dumwan ringi sembalang lada dumwan ringi kamut syai ka kalawai jingi kandan pi ka sakawi ka pangandong pi kini dukan try dukan kawaning kini tapi dan license kena kasih di bendan man ko ibu dukan kan long ko kakam kalat akam jam yaki kena kasih wal ki balik mekanik ni beli you beri kena kasih ji kumduna show ka jingnang jingkot kabor bentri mekanik ti ko ba kani jaka hai kan jingret implement kan nam taki future you jingit kan
Let's see kini ki barzla ki bawan sini let's see ki pli bian let's see kenturu nakaliang kadai kamram jongi kum kaseng kapapet ya kabha kamiat jong jat benriu di bangin wan lang bangin check bat nila nakaliang kamal ki circle na hidan lang ni na present secretary bat lesi nakaliang ka jongki so bangin wan sini iba klato kila ada jing tho sai CEO bat ni CEO ila batha ya ki officer jongi bakin wan lang ni joint inspection bat hani kasi ni so ba kalong ka ai ki bajok bang ila lap sai kita ka jing tuko ha kani ka ba kini kidukan kini ban renew ya ki license lane ki don ru ki baran illegally ya kini kidukan katum ka jinglap ni bun ba ki dukan ki ba ki renew nadu snam arjar sipau ndrei o ki register nadu arjar sipau ndrei pat ki kham renew so hadu new snam ba mentabat ngi katum ka terms and condition na po municipal board ngi ka yasi ka bu tang i fine baret ba ba ki bu ya kita ba kham renew kibu tang san spa tingka harus senam.
Lagi boleh bom dan deh. Tentang belakang lah, kulit, invalid lut. Dan berhasil lap nakmal ajang. Plus kata di nakaliang bawa iki nakaliang authority ke dalang. Tinggal terlang, tolong lagi ni kam. Kalau kebajak nam ta jungi.
License trading
Kekelai dan tinggi.
orang